can import various files into Tableau like Microsoft Excel, text file, PDF file, JSON file, etc. We can use a server of various tools like Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Amazon Redshift, IBM DB2, MongoDB, Google Ads, etc. So we can import file into Tableau using three ways. The first way we can use is using the file option here. We can open the data and the data will be directly imported into Tableau. Second option is we can copy the data set or the file and we can paste the file into Tableau directly. The third option we can choose the various options here as per the type of the file and we can import it directly into Tableau. So here we have a file, a Microsoft Excel file of World Cup's data. So here we choose Microsoft Excel file and we'll click on the option. So here we have the file World Cup results. It's a .xlxs file. So here we open the file and the file will be imported into Tableau. So the file is imported into Tableau. Now the file is ready for the use and for creating different visualizations using this file. Thank you.